So over here, I am in the tag space and I have a few tags right here. So I access out tags by going around onto the post section from the home page and by going around onto tags. And you can see that I have a bunch of tags right here. But let's say I want to assign certain tags to certain posts. In that case, you can go around onto the particular post right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go to the art connection and click on edit right here. So once you go ahead and do that, it actually opens up this particular post page. And then over here on the right hand side, you can see that the categories right here. But over here, you can see that under it are tags. So you can go ahead and let's say, for example, choose the tag as you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and use, let's say, learn right here, just like this. And then you can see that related tags that I already added in actually pops up right here. What I can actually also do is, let's say, for example, add in a tag that I haven't made as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say artist right here. Then those tags will be made. So this is how you can assign out a tag right here. And tags can be let's say, for example, an existing tag as well right here, which is related with the other post. So if I were to go ahead and click on save right here, the tag has been assigned to that particular post. And if I were to go around over here now on to the tag section, then you will be able to access out the tag. And over here, you can see that art is here that I recently added in right from the post section. So if I were to go ahead and view this, then you can see that that particular post actually pops up right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and assign tags to a post inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.